Okay, you can install small basic to your computer. Okay, now I know that there are some students using laptops and desktops to use this Zoom session, and also most of you are using I think smartphones. Okay, so doesn't matter. Okay, for who are using laptops and desktops, can install the small basic software to your computer. Okay, there are two ways. Okay, there are two ways. The easiest way is, now in this Windows 10 environment, I assume that most of you have Windows 10 OS. Okay, in this Windows 10 environment, now I have log into the Microsoft account. I have a Microsoft account and I have logged into the Microsoft account. Okay, so that's the thing. Okay, so if you have logged into the Microsoft account, you can easily install a small basic through Microsoft Store. Okay, Microsoft Store. So if you have logged into the, I mean, you have an account for the Microsoft. Okay, so yeah, Sanoli, doesn't matter, you have another way. Okay, you have another way. Okay, this is for those who have those who have a Microsoft account. Okay, then they can search to know whether you have a Microsoft account or not. Here, if you move to the account setting here, okay, now here in here, click here and then move to the change account setting. Then you will get this window. Here you will see your account info. Okay, your info. Okay, so here I have set my email and I have logged into the Microsoft account. Okay, so that's the thing. Okay, if you haven't such thing, don't worry. Okay, don't worry, you have another way. Okay, so here check Microsoft Store. Just type Microsoft. Okay, Microsoft. Okay, Store. Then you will get this result. Okay, then just click on this one. Okay, okay, this session is used by both grade 7s and 9s. Okay, don't worry about that. Okay, here at the top of the window there is a search bar. Here type small basic, then you will get this one. Okay, this result, then click on that. Okay, so search small basic and get this result and just click install. Okay, just click on this one, install, then you will have small basic. It means automatically it will install small basic in your OS. Okay, in your computer, in your laptop. Okay, that's the easiest way. Okay, there is another way. Okay, now here it shows SS for Samira Sarachandra. Oh, okay, it's my name. So that's the thing. If you have logged into the Microsoft account, okay, then your name, your profile is shown here. Those who have logged into the Microsoft account can do this task. Okay, can install small basic like this. Okay, so others can do the installation in another way. Now I am going to tell you that way. Okay, so those who have logged into the Microsoft account, what should you do? Simply type Microsoft account Store. Okay, and then click on this and you will get this window, and just search small basic on the search bar and click on this output. Okay, so small basic. Okay, then you will get this result, then click on this, then you will get this window. Okay, then click on the install button, then automatically it will install the small basic in your computer. That's the easiest way. Those who don't have those who doesn't logged into the, okay, those who haven't logged into the Microsoft account can install a small basic like this. This is the second way. Okay, now I am going to install the small basic using the second way. Okay, not using this way. Okay, so open the browser, most probably your favorite browser, Google Chrome. Okay, then search small basic installation. Okay, installation. Okay, this install is enough. Okay, yes, then no need to type installation, just type small basic. Okay, then you will get this first result. Okay, it's from smallbasic.com and it says small basic. Okay, this is the official site for small basic. So just click on this link. Okay, so this is the official site for small basic. Okay, Microsoft small basic. Okay, so here you have two options. You can download and install, and otherwise you can use the online version. Okay, I will tell you how to use the online version later. So now I am focusing how to download the small basic and install on your computer. So this is the second way. Okay, so click on this button. Okay, then it will download this small basic application here. Okay, so then you can open or go to the folder. It's probably in the download folder. Okay, here in these folders there are pictures, documents. Here download, there you can see small basic application. So select that one, then double click on that one. Okay, so then this window appears, then just click on run. Okay, okay, now click on next button. Now you have to accept the license agreement. Okay, this is called license agreement. Every software has a license agreement. It describes terms and conditions of using the software. Okay, so just tick on this. I accept the terms in the license agreement. Okay, okay, now click on the next button. Here you don't need to make any changes. Again, click on the next button. Just finally click on the install button. Now here in this window, again click on yes. Now the small basic is being installed. Okay, is being installed. Okay, so they need some couple of minutes to do that. Okay, yeah, now it's finished. Click on finish button. Okay, that's the second way. Now I have used that second way to install small basic. Okay, now after that close this window, and here you can minimize this one also. Then you may search for small basic. Here the small basic is here, otherwise you may type small basic, then you can see the installed application. Now click on this. Okay, so here you can see that small basic window. Okay, this is the editor window, this is the toolbar. Now here if I type text window like that, okay, you can see a help window here. Okay, so you can see IntelliSense window also here. Okay, so you can check whether this is working or not. Let's just type TextWindow dot write line. Okay, there are suggestions. Okay, within brackets, within a bracket, within inverted commas, inside the bracket, you may put hello world. Okay, you may put hello world, and then just run. Now you can see the output. Now it's properly working. Okay. So now I have successfully installed the small basic application. Okay. Now there are some questions. Let's see. So when I click, they ask to, do you want to any changes to do your PC by small basic? Yes. Okay. Yes. Select yes. Okay. So this is the second way. Okay, installing small basic permanently on your computer. Now those who are using smartphones, tablets, then they have to find the app. So finding the app, or for all of you, you may use online version without installing the small basic application in your computer. You may use the online version. So the only thing you need is a internet connection. If you have an internet connection, you can use the online version. Now I am going to tell you how to use the online version. Okay. So sir, in change, repair or remove, install, what to select? So this happens when the small basics is already installed condition. Okay, now in your computer small basic has been already installed. So then you again try to install the small basic, then this question asks. Now you have already yes, I will send the link. Okay. I will send the link. Okay, now this link, no? Yes, just copy this one, and then I'm putting to the chat. Okay, you may get it through the chat, or I can also send it to your WhatsApp group. Okay, here. Okay, this is the official website's address. Okay. Okay, now Sanoli, I will solve your problems. Okay, later. Now grade 9s, if you are interested following this small basic, you may do that. Okay, so here this is a start for a programming language. Okay, so there are a lot of things to learn. Okay, I would like to prepare videos related to the content beyond the syllabus. Okay, now in grade 7 they have to study about loops. Okay, that's the end of studying small basic in your school time. Okay, but there are something else, there are many more to learn. Okay, so I like to prepare small videos related to the content beyond the syllabus and put it to the YouTube and share those videos with you. So you may install small basic and follow the content. Okay, so grade 9, this is not related to your syllabus. Okay, as you are free now, I ask you to join to the grade 7 class. That's the thing. I think it's clear to on it. Okay. Okay, now so there are a lot of questions. So it downloaded. Now I can do coding. No, after downloading you have to install. Okay, now I have described how to install the software. Okay, so this is a Zoom session and this session is being recorded. Okay, so if you want to know how to install the software, you may refer the recording. Okay, I will send it to you through your chat probably at tonight. Okay, so now I have described two ways: using the Microsoft Store and installing through the Microsoft Store. That's the first one. And the second way is downloading the software separately through the official small basic site and then installing. Okay, now the third way is the easiest way. Without installing small basic, you can do small basic coding online. Okay, so in this website you can see the second option, start coding online. Here you can see, no? So click on that one. Okay, now look at this interface. It is similar to what we have installed, no? So let's see, it will work as the normal software. Let's see, let's try. Okay, so I would like to delete all this content, and I would like to type this code segment. What is it? Text window. Yeah. So here now normally in our installed version, okay, so there is the IntelliSense facility is quite different. Okay, it has this type of window. Okay, in online version it is quite different from this window version. Okay, let's see now when I'm typing text. Okay, they are suggesting the commands like this. IntelliSense is working like this in online version. Okay, so you may use up and down arrow keys. Okay, and select the proper command you want to apply and then press enter. Okay, text window dot. Then they are suggesting what do you need next. I need right line. Okay, so this is there are two options. I am selecting the second option by pressing down arrow key and pressing enter. I will apply right line. Now we should include data. Okay, so instead of data, inside the parentheses within inverted commas, I would like to type hello world. Okay, that's it. Now what should I do? I should run the program. Here there is the run button. Okay, here is there is a debug button. By pressing this one, I can check whether there are errors in my code. Okay, so I can click that one. Next line. Yes. So no errors. So you may not need to debug option. Okay, just run. Okay, so then that text window appears like this in online version. Okay, here the text window is appear like this. No, in installed version like this, it's a separate window. Okay, now in the online version it's like this. Okay, after clicking on the run button, the text window shows like this, appears like this. Okay, that's the thing. Okay, now if you want to go to the editor, you may click on back button. Okay, now the thing. So this is the online version. The only condition is you need the internet connection to connect with this website and do your task online. Okay, that's the thing. So if you have any question, please ask through the chat. Okay, Sanoli says she has done that one. Good. Okay. The first practical. Okay. So these are the three ways of doing coding using small basic. Okay. First two ways are to how to install the small basic into a computer. The third way is doing the practicals online. Okay, using the website. Are you clear? Any questions?
No, teacher.
Sir, can I run this software on a low-end PC? A low-end PC means what is the processor? i3. It's quite enough. It's quite enough. It's not a low-end one. No? Core to do dual core such processors are low-end. Okay, in nowadays compared to other processors. Okay, it's quite enough. Okay. So grade 7s, grade 9s, do you have any questions related to installations?
No, sir.
Okay, there are
No, sir.
31 people in this
No, sir.
session. Okay. Okay, then it's so let's move to the other part. Okay, now I have finished describing the installation and how to use the online version. Okay, so those are the three ways. Okay, using the Microsoft Store, first one. Separately downloading and installing, that's the second way. Third way is the easiest way related to first two. It means using the online version. The only condition in that process is that you need the internet connection. Otherwise, you can't connect to this website. Okay, in this website there is an option called start coding online, so you may choose this one. Then you can this online small basic environment will appear, and you can do your code here. Okay, that's the thing. So I prefer installed version, so I would like to use this one. Okay, you may adjust these videos by windows by using these dragging options. Okay, that's the thing. So by pressing control button and scrolling, you may zoom the text. Okay, there are several options. Okay, let's move to the next part. Okay, it means second lesson. Okay, so if you want, I can upload this presentation to the groups also. Okay, so now I have completed the first one, introduction to the small basic. Okay, now I am going to do the second one. Okay, if you want, I can upload this presentation to your groups. Do you need?
Okay.
Do you need?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Okay. So I would like to upload this first two to this chat also. Okay, you may download these files using the chat. Otherwise, I'm also uploading these files to your WhatsApp groups also, especially for grade 7 WhatsApp group. Okay, so here I am attaching these two files. Okay, two PowerPoint presentations related to two sessions. Okay, so small. So here, first one and the second one. First one first, and the second one now. Okay, so you may download it through the chat. Okay, you can download it. Okay, so here you can right click, go just click on that, and then you can download it. It will automatically download. Okay, so PowerPoint presentation. So now I am moved to the second one. Okay, this one. So second one, it's related to the small basic, and we are going to learn what are the statements, properties, and operations related to small basic. Okay, let's see. So in this lesson, we are going to learn three things. Okay, that's our statements, properties, link didn't came means this link, no? Yeah, I have sent it to the Kavish. Okay, I will send it to the everyone. Okay, now it's come. Now you can see the link. Okay, so small basic. Okay, statements, properties, and operations. Statements, properties, and operations. So let's go through this quickly. So in this lesson, you will learn about statements in small basic programs, properties of the text window object, operations of the text window object. Okay, so basically I would like to tell you what are you going to study. Okay, simply. Okay, these are the three things you are going to study. So first one is statements. Okay, now simply now in English you may see this one as a sentence. Okay, now in a single rule or in a language we say it's a sentence. Okay, so in programming, okay, we don't say sentence, we say instead of sentence we use statement. So this is a statement. Okay, so if I use another one, text window dot read, likewise read is another one. What is your name? Okay, what is your name? Let's say name equal, likewise. Okay, so this is one statement and this is the other statement. There are two statements. Okay, likewise. Okay, so instead of the sentence, instead of the word sentence we use statement. That's the thing. Okay, that's how I can easily describe what is a statement. Okay, so let's see what are they say. Okay, okay, statements in small basic programs. Okay, so when you give an instruction to a computer, you create a statement. You can write a program by creating just one statement or by creating two or more statements in a particular sequence. Okay, don't worry about that explanation. Let's see, go forward. Okay, let's move forward. For example, you can instruct the computer to open a text window and write hi everyone in it. To give this instruction, you write the following statement in the editor. Okay, okay, so this is a statement. Okay, this is a statement. So instead of the word sentence we use statement. That's the simplest way to describe what is a statement. Okay, okay, now the next thing is text window properties. Okay, text window properties. What is the properties of a text window? Okay, now here if I run this program, okay, now I would like to delete this one. If I run this one now, this black colored window is called text window. No, so text window properties means there are several properties. Okay, so let's learn it one by one. So one is that the text color shown here. Okay, yes, rejoin. This session will continue until 12:45. Okay, so now one property is the text color. You may see this in the text window. You can see the text color is white. You can change the text color to red, yellow, likewise. Okay, so likewise there one thing is this text color. Likewise the size of the text window, width of the text window, height of the text window, and there are so many properties related to text window. So properties related to text window means such things. Okay, height of the window, width of the window, appeared text color, likewise those things. Okay, so let's see. Okay, Properties of the text window object. The text window object has a specific set of properties such as foreground color, background color, tile, cursor top, cursor left, top, left. Okay, those bold words are the properties of the text window object. So this text window is called as called an object. Okay, there are several objects in the small basic programming language. One is text window, other similar one is graphic window. I described it earlier in the earlier session. Okay, text window, graphic window, those are called objects. Okay, so this text window object has several properties. One is foreground color, another one is background color, title, cursor top, cursor left, top left. You will understand these words later. Okay, when we move forward. Okay, so okay, now I'm going to code this segment in my editor and see the output. Okay, so here before doing the practical, I would like to explain the result to the presentation. Okay, now if we code like this, okay, then the output is like this. Okay, now you can see this is the text window. Okay, so here text window title is set as fun with small basic program. Now see where the title shows here. This is the title. Okay, here it is called the title, fun with small basic program. Okay, so here background color is gray, foreground color is red. Now you can see here in this statement, press any key to continue. Here background color is gray. You can see gray. Foreground color means text color. What is the color? Red. You can see that. So cursor top is 20, cursor left is 30. So this is the cursor. Okay, this is the cursor. Normally cursor is in the top of in the first line. Okay, first line. Now first cursor, now cursor top is set to the 20th line. Now the initially cursor is shown in the 20th line. Okay, 20th, this much is called 20 lines. Okay, that's the thing. So it's left line. That's the thing. It's on the left hand side. This is the left side of the window. Okay, so text window top is 300, text window left is 300. Let's see what are they. Okay, so let's do the practical. Okay, in our software. Okay, using the editor. Okay, so if you leave automatically, okay, then rejoin the session. Okay, I will continue the session until 12:45. So here we should start from setting the background color and the foreground color. Okay, so here text window dot. So now if I put text window, okay, here in the help window, okay, you can see lot of properties related to text window. Background color is here, foreground color is here, cursor left, cursor top, okay, title, left, top, clear, hide. There are some properties other than what mentioned in the slide also. Okay, pause if visible, read key, read number. There are a lot of things. Okay, so here I am using first background color. Okay, I may use this one dot. I may use background color. Okay, enter. Then background color is equal to gray. Okay, so here let's Instead of gray, let's use yellow. Okay, they are using gray, we are using yellow. Okay, likewise. Next, again, text window. I would like to use IntelliSense text window dot foreground color. Let's type 4F. Then it suggests foreground color. Then press enter button. Okay, equal foreground color is better blue. Okay, let's set the foreground color as blue within inverted commas. Okay, okay, again, next one is text window title. Okay, text window dot title. Press enter button. Okay, so it is equal to within inverted commas. Let's change the title as we are Sussexians. We are Sussexians. Likewise. Okay, next one, cursor top 20, cursor left 30. Okay, without setting cursor top and cursor left, let's see the result. Okay, let's see the result. Okay, now I have entered background color as yellow, foreground color as blue, title as we are Sussexians. Let's see the results. Now I'm going to click on the run button. Okay, so let's see. Here the title is we are Sussexians. Okay, so the background color, you can see yellow. This is not probably the yellow, but you can see a color relate like yellow. Okay, probably light pink one. Okay, so now you can see the text color, that is the foreground color, it is blue. Okay, blue. So that's the thing. Okay, okay. So let's change this one to blue and change this one to red. Okay, foreground color is red. Now see, let's see the results. Okay, now color background color is blue, foreground color is red. Instead of red, let's use yellow. Okay,
So we can use any colors, no?
now see, so that's the thing. Okay, so we have set the background color, foreground color, title, and I would like to run the program again. Okay, now see, so the cursor, this is the cursor, no, it's in the first line. Oh, at the top. Okay, now I would like to change the initial position of this cursor to somewhere else. Okay, white. Okay, let's do that. White. So now I am going to put the cursor's initial position to somewhere else. Okay, okay, let's do that. So according to the practical, cursor top is 20, cursor left is 30. Let's set the cursor top first. Okay, so here again, text window dot cursor, not left one, the top one, is equal to, let's set it to 20, and let's see the result. Okay, so these changing the properties and seeing the output is called experimenting. Okay, by experimenting like this, you can study lot of things. Okay, so now I have add this statement. What is that? Text windows cursor top is 20. Let's see the effect. Now you can see, instead of residing at the top, now it's in the middle. So here it may it is about 20 rows. Okay, 20 lines. Now it's 20 lines below the first initial cursor. Okay, that's the cursor position. Okay, now top cursor is here, 20 lines below. If you want to move the cursor, you can't do that. Okay, that's the thing. So that's the cursor top. So the other property is cursor left. Let's see what is the effect of cursor left. So text window dot cursor left equal to 30. Okay, let's see the result.
Excuse me, sir.
Now you can see this press any key to continue statement is a little bit middle, no? Initially, without having this statement, it was like this. Okay, it's at the left border. Okay, it was in the left border. Now you can see that one. Okay, now see the effect. Now it's in 30. It's from 30 rows or 30 columns, 30 spaces from the left border. Okay, you can see the result. Okay, this one, press any key to continue. 12:45. Okay, okay, so that's the cursor left. Okay, so text window top is 300, left is 300. Okay, now again before applying those statements, let's see the cursor window here, 300 and 300. Let's see, let's apply that these two statements, top and the left. Okay, text window dot top. Okay, is equal to, let's instead of 300, yes, let's put 300. Now run the application. Now instead of showing the window up, now it has gone down a little bit, no? Okay, now instead of 300, let's increase this value to 500. Let's see again. Now it has gone far more below, no? That's the thing. So this top means the window's distance between the top border. Okay, from the top border, windows distance from the top border is mean by this top one. Okay, so left, let's set the left value. Okay, text window dot left equal to now it's 500. No, now it's yeah, let's set the value to 300. Okay, so let's run that one. Now it has gone a little bit right side, no? 300. Okay, now let's increase this value to 500 or 800 and run the application. Now it has gone far more right, no, from the left border. Okay, from the top it's 500 lines below. From the left it has gone 800 spaces or 800 columns to the right. Okay, that's the thing. Okay, so likewise there are properties related to the window. So these are called properties related to the window. Okay, now I'd like to move to the presentation. Okay, okay, those are called properties related to the window, properties of the text window object. This is called the text window. Okay, operations of the text window object. now we have learned what are statements, what are properties related to text window object. Now we are going to study operations of the text window object. Okay, so there are some popular operations: show, hide, write, write line, read, pause, clear, likewise. Okay, let's explore some of these operations. Okay, okay, so there are here they have used write operation. Okay, so there is another operation called write line. Okay, so what is the difference between write and write line? Let's see. Okay, so they these are the two sentences. Hi everyone, how are you doing? Okay, so here instead of these thing, okay, let's do this one. Text window, instead of write line, okay, instead of this one I am using write. Okay, write, how are you? Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Again, another one. Text window. Okay. Dot write. This one. How are you doing? How are you doing? Let's run this one. So instead of previous occasion, instead of write line, okay, in previous occasion I use write line. Now I am using write. Okay, write operation. These are called operations. After putting dot, these are called operations. Okay, these are called operations related to the text window. Okay, so let's run this one. Now you can see both the statements, outputs of the both the statements, hello everyone and the how are you doing, are in the same line. Okay, in the same line without spaces. Okay, that's the effect of write operation. Okay, instead of showing both the sentences in the same line, if you want to show them in separate lines, you should use write line here instead of write. Okay, you may use write line. Okay, so we will keep write here. Let's change this to write line. Okay, now let's see the result. Now you can see hello everyone in the first sentence, how are you doing in the second line. Hello everyone in the first line, how are you doing in the second line. Okay, so what is the effect of this write line? Okay, so so here write line. Okay, so you can see the description here. Writes text or number to the text window. Yes, text, we can see the output through the text window. It's correct. A new line character will be appended to the output so that the next time something is written to the text window will go in a new line. That's the effect. You can see the effect here. Yes, because of this write line operation, the behavior of this write line operation is that after displaying this content, it's end in a new line. That's the thing, it's ends in a new line. That's why this how are you doing phrase is shown in a new line. Okay, after displaying what is inside the within inverted commas hello everyone, the behavior of the write line is it ends in a new line. Okay, that's why this how are you doing is in a displayed in the second line. Now instead of write line, let's show it instead of write line write, let's change it to write line. Okay, likewise. Okay. Now again write. You can see the cursor. You can see the cursor here. Now, after displaying these sentences, cursor is in the new line, in a new line. That's the effect of the right line operation. Okay, right line normally shows its contents and move the cursor to the next line. That's the effect of the right line. But right operation doesn't do that. Right operation doesn't do that. Now see. Okay, all the content is shown in the same line. Okay, that's the thing. Now cursor has moved to the next line. That is not because of the effect of the right. Okay, normally how it behaves. Okay, but right line shows its content separately in separate lines. Right shows it contains where from the end. Okay, it means in a same line, in a single line, same line. Okay, that's the thing. Okay, final 4 minutes. Okay, so let's quickly go through this presentation. Okay, so as you see, this operation wrote both sentences on the same line with no space between them. But don't worry, you can use a different operation to show these sentences on separate lines. That is right line. Okay, so instead of right, we can use right line. Then the output is like this. So right and right line are both operations of the text window. They are operations belongs to text window object. And if you use the right line operation, each line of text appear on separate line. Likewise, there are some other operations. Reading a line of text. Okay, there is a practical code segment here. Okay, so you can try these segments and see the outputs. Okay, now I have already uploaded the presentation to the chat. You can download it from there. Now you can do that. You have less 3 minutes. Now quickly download those presentation from the chat. Okay, so so read operation, there is a practical. Pause and clear operation, there is a practical. Okay, likewise there are practicals. Okay, so the summary, what is the summary? You can do those practicals and see the outputs by yourself. Okay, I don't have enough time. Okay, so finally, now after this session you may know these things. Okay, what are the statements related to a small basic? Okay, statement for programs in small basic. Change various properties of the text window object such as title and location. Likewise, use various operations of the text window object such as show, write, line, like this. Okay, so Q&A session. Okay, so you have only 2 minutes left, so please unmute your microphones and answer these questions. Okay, switch on your microphones. Okay, so these are the questions. Okay. My contact number note 7171130052. Okay. So what do you know? This is actually this is a homework. Okay, I will check your homework. So you should write a program to display the things as described here. Okay, top position is 100, left position is 200. Okay, statement title is small basic programming. Top position of the cursor 10, left position of the cursor 20. Okay, likewise.
Okay.
That's the thing. You should try this practical by yourself. You can use this this practical to assist it. Okay, this one. you can use this one, and the only thing you have to do is change those values to these values. Okay, these values. Okay, now it's almost 12:45. You have another class. Okay, so thank you very much for joining.